Hi everyone, my name is Rosie from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. In this video, we're going to go through the bird dog exercise from the ACE home-based maintenance program. So the purpose of the bird dog exercise is to strengthen your core. So you'll feel this predominantly in your abdominal muscles and your back, and it also involves your glutes and your shoulders, and it does also involve some coordination. So I'll show a couple of modifications today, so pick one that's right for you. And there is a disclaimer on our website, so take a look at that before you begin. If you have any questions, you can email us at ace@ucalgary.ca. So to begin the bird dog exercise, you're going to come onto all fours on an exercise mat with your hands shoulder width apart and directly under your shoulders. Your knees can also be shoulder width apart and directly under your hips. So you want a nice neutral spine, so that will mean there'll be just a slight arch in the back. And most importantly, you want to engage your core, firstly by drawing your navel in towards your spine to activate your abdominals, and also by activating your pelvic floor muscles. Now I'm going to lift and extend one arm and the opposite leg while trying to keep my shoulders, my back and my pelvis both still and stable. And I'm really going to have to engage my core to do this. So I'm going to extend one arm and the opposite leg, and come gently back to the starting position, and then switch arm and leg. Try to extend the leg without any rotation at the hip. And try to keep your hips and your shoulders parallel to the ground. Now, if this is feeling very difficult and you're wobbling around a lot, you can try one limb at a time. So in the same setup, engage your abdominal muscles, try one arm and the opposite arm, extend through one leg and the opposite leg. Now if you feel that you've really mastered stability in the bird dog exercise, you can try progression. So same setup. This time, when you extend one arm and the opposite leg, you're going to bring them in, aiming to touch elbow to knee in a crunch, and then extend. And you may want to do this for maybe 5 repetitions before switching sides. So you come into crunch and then extend. So once you've picked the level of difficulty that's right for you, you can try this exercise for perhaps 45 seconds.